Working with 25 and 50. Here again we're using the Sutra Anurupirna, proportionately. As was mentioned in the video on working with 5, we can usefully use the fact that 25 is a quarter of 100 and 50 is a half of 100 to easily multiply numbers and divide numbers by 25 and 50. So starting with multiplying by 50, here's an example, 24 times 50. We can multiply it by 100 and divide by 2. This will give 2400 or 2400, divide by 2, which is 1200. We can operate the other way by dividing by 2 first and then multiplying by 100. 24 divided by 2 is 12. Multiply this by 100 by placing 2 zeros on the end. Here's another example, 73 times 50. We can multiply by 100 and then divide by 2. 7,300 divided by 2 is 3,650. And we can do that division by 2 by thinking that half of 7,000 is 3,500 and half of 300 is 150, and then add the 3,500 and the 150. Alternatively, we can divide 73 by 2, which is 36.5, and then multiply by 100. Or we can think of 70 times 50 plus 3 times 50 is 3,500 plus 150. Have a go at these and stop the video before I show the answers. Okay, now here are the answers and you can check. Dividing by 50 is the opposite way round. Example, 7,100 divided by 50. We can divide by 100 and then multiply by 2. Dividing by 100 gives 71, multiplied by 2 gives 142. Alternatively, we can multiply by 2 and then divide by 100. 7,100 multiplied by 2 is 14,200, and then divide by 100 by knocking off the 2 zeros, 142. Another example, 530 divided by 50. Divide by 100 is 5.3 and then multiplied by 2 giving 10.6. Or 1060 by doubling and then divide by 100, which is 10.6. Stop the video and have a go at this exercise, and then I'll show the answers. So here are the answers. Multiplying by 25. Here we're going to think of 25 as being a quarter of 100. So to multiply by 25, we can multiply by 100 and divide by 4, or divide by 4 and then multiply by 100. 48 times 100 divided by 4 is 4,800. Divide by 4, which is 1,200. Or 48 divided by 4 is 12 and then multiply by 100. It's 1,200. Another example, 53 times 25. 53 multiplied by 100 divided by 4 is 5,300 divided by 4, which is 1,325. Have a go at this exercise. Stop the video and then I'll show the answers afterwards. So here are the answers. And then dividing by 25, we can divide by 100 multiplied by 4. Example, 2,700 divided by 25 is 2,700 divided by 100, then multiplied by 4, which is 27 times 4, which is 108. Or we can multiply by 4 and then divide by 100. Either way, it's up to you. $530 divided by 25. Divide by 100 gives 5.3, and then multiplied by 4, giving, we can do this by doubling twice. 5.3 doubled is 10.6, 10.6 doubled is 21.2. Have a go at these, stop the video, and then I'll show the answers. Okay, so here are the answers. Good, so that gives an idea of how we can use proportionately by relating numbers to a power of 10, either 10 or 100 or 1,000.